Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling the word accommodate. It might seem a bit long, but by the end of this video you'll pronounce it with confidence. Let's break it down step by step. The correct pronunciation is accommodate. First, is a soft sound like the A in about. Next, com rhymes with calm. Then, is another soft vowel sound like the A in sofa. Finally, date sounds just like the word date in calendar date. Let's put it all together slowly. Date. Try repeating after me, accommodate. Now, a little faster, accommodate. And at full speed, accommodate. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will roll off your tongue naturally. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Accommodate means to make space or adjustments for someone or something. For example, a hotel accommodates guests, or a schedule can be adjusted to accommodate changes. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce accommodate and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.